hi everybody, welcome back. This is Kim. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I saw this graphic today on Reddit and it cracked me up and it gave me an idea about this video, what to make. So these are sarcastic Doordash tips. So these are aimed at the customer. These are things that customers do. They actually do them, but Dashers wish that you didn't. So this is aimed towards the Doordash customers. Before we get started, I would love it if you could subscribe. And if you enjoy this, please give me a thumbs up. That would be fantastic. Let's go on here. Okay, so this is the graphic that I saw on Reddit. I had to share this. I thought it was funny. So basically, how to order Doordash. Number 1, order Doordash. Number 2, go out and remove all your house numbers. Number 3, turn off all the lights. Number 4, outside lights too. Off. Everything off. We want the house completely dark with no address light numbers. Set your phone to do not disturb mode and then hide. Okay, you'd be amazed at how much it feels like this sometimes. I thought this was funny. Anyways, so I came up with some others. But wait, there's more. Please, this is a joke, okay? These are things you should not do. It should be obvious, but I wanted to say that. Okay. Put lots of restaurant food notes in the delivery instruction area. I found this also online and I thought it was so funny. So the instructions say diet soda, no biscuits, no broccoli ever. I'm allergic. It makes me sick. No rice. I just throw it away. So you're wasting money. All soda diet. Don't even think about asking me to come downstairs. I require door-to-door delivery. Turn left through the lobby and take elevator to the 4th floor apartment 410, opposite the elevator. Include no broccoli ever. I'm allergic. It makes me sick. No raisins, no olives, no broccoli. Any fried food crispy. Oh my God, if I saw this, I would unassign right now. The delivery instructions are meant for the delivery. Like, okay, here. Turn left through the lobby and take elevator to the 4th floor. Those are great delivery instructions. All the rest of it is for the restaurant. We have no control over any of this. But anyways, I just thought that was a funny one. Okay, so definitely, if you... the opposite of what you really should do, actually, is put a bunch of that in there. Okay, and don't forget to let your dog out and let him roam around the front yard. We love that. We love trying to dodge the dogs. Yeah, that makes it a lot of fun. Dashers, we have nothing really going on, so, let's give us some danger so we have to worry about the dog. Oh, and this is a good one. Promise a big cash tip, but please don't actually give one. No, we don't really want money. That's not why we're doing this, right? It's really fun for the driver if you put in the wrong address, especially if it's a non-existing address. Yeah, we get to try to figure out which house is actually yours. It's like being a detective. You have to ask anyone who happens to be outside if they know where Rick lives or if they know where the address is that we're looking for. And of course, after you put in the wrong address, especially when it doesn't exist, never answer your texts or calls. Please, whatever you do, don't help us find you. Oh, and choose hand it to me when you're placing your order, but then ignore all calls, texts, doorbell ringing, and knocks. That makes it really fun for us. We have to wait 5 minutes and attempt to hand it to you as you requested. Please don't come out prior to the 5-minute time expires. We have nothing else to do, so we just want to stand there waiting for 5 minutes. It gives us a break, Oh, and as soon as we leave, go into the app and tell Doordash that your order was not delivered. That's the best. We love when that happens. Really, this was all a joke. And that one graphic just kind of gave me the idea, and I thought it was funny. Please don't do any of the things that I spoke about. But believe it or not, these are things that customers do. Instead of working against us, try to help us serve you better. Turn on the light if it's dark outside. Make sure we can see your address. If you don't have numbers on your house, in the delivery description, the delivery instruction area, tell us how to find you. Okay, we're the third white house on the left side. We've got a big Ford truck in the driveway. Whatever. Help us get you the food as quick as possible. It's crazy. So Dashers, do you have any other things to add to this list? Please comment below. I would love some more humor. Anyways, that's all I have for today. It was just a silly little video, but that one graphic, I just got a kick out of it and I wanted to share it. So I hope you had a great night, great day. Have a wonderful weekend. Stay cool if you're on the West Coast. Stay dry if you're on the East Coast. And be safe. Thanks for watching.